Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a Sephora haul. What? I'm so excited because this time of year during the holidays, Sephora has a 20% off in-store or online. So I ordered a bunch of gift sets, and right now they have such great stuff like this Hermes perfume set. It's 4 mini Hermes perfumes. I'm super excited to try this. I haven't opened the package yet, but I'm so excited. Like, these are the ones it comes with. Now I'm going to try to pronounce these because it's all in French, but this is what it comes with. And it's all in 0.25 ounces, so I'm super excited about that. And then I also got the Stella McCartney roller balls. So it comes with 2 in the pack, and it's such a good deal because it's almost like buy one get one free because of the cost savings. So let me just open this up for you so you can see. I love Stella McCartney's scents. They're so fantastic. Sorry. So inside there's 2 roller balls. There's the original Stella, and then there's this one, which is Peony. This is her original Stella that I love, and I have a full bottle of, and I love this one. But yeah, this is so fantastic. It's great to put in your purse and going out at night. Okay, I'm not gonna open this one yet. I'm not gonna show you yet. I'm gonna go to this box. This one I'm super excited about. This is the Sephora Favorites. It's the deluxe perfume sampler. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So last year this came with 10 deluxe samples, but this year it came with 7. So there's 7 deluxe samples in here. And in a second I'll tell you what they all are. So I'm going to show you. These are all 0.25 ounces as well. This cost $75, but it was with a 20% off. It's like such a good deal. And inside there's a coupon that you can redeem for a full-size bottle. So at Sephora. So it's such a great deal. So inside there is Dolce & Gabbana, Dolce Garden, Elizabeth and James Nirvana Black, Kat Von D Sinner, Tom Ford Black Orchid, Tory Burch Just Like Heaven, Versace Dylan Bleu Pour Femme, and Victor Rolf Flower Bomb. So yeah, these are the Sephora favorites, and this could make such a great gift, but I am keeping this to myself. So amazing. Okay, so all these purchases, I've been racking up the points, and I redeemed it. If you're a beauty insider, I redeemed all my points for this Clinique set. So this is 500 points, and it comes with a hydrator, a face spray, and it comes with a lipstick, moisturizing lip balm, and then a mascara. Super excited. So that's my haul from Sephora. Thank you for watching my video, and if you sign up for Sephora